A knockdown here at the Evergreen Vertical, and that was number 10 in the course, so 4 faults for Kevin and Mark Q. That'll wrap up first round action as we now make the adjustment for the jump-off round. We have determined a few of our riders who are qualified for the short course have chosen not to return here today. It looks like as of right now anyway, we do have 6 who will be coming back to vie for the biggest portion of the prize money, $7,500 on offer, sponsored by Kiefer, Wood, Allen, and Rahal. And awards are courtesy of Back on Track and Equifit here on Wednesday, opening day of the